What is up, everybody? My name is Austin and you're watching the Powerstroke channel. Before we start today's video, please hit that subscribe button and please share this video. So today I have a pretty cool video. I'm just going to talk about the things that I do not like about my Powerstroke. This truck has had its ups and downs. There's been some good, some bad, and today I'm going to talk about the bad stuff, and then another day I'm going to talk about the good stuff. So one of the things I absolutely hate about this truck is the stupid cup holders. Oh my god, they make me mad. And let me show you guys why. Okay, so if you look, you know, you just open this up and those are supposed to pop open, right? Well, they don't. So when you go to put your drink, I mean, it doesn't work. So that's one thing that absolutely drives me nuts about this truck is these stupid cup holders that don't work. They're supposed to pop open when you open up the thing, and it's just cheap plastic, so it broke, and I get that, but still, it's super inconvenient when you're trying to put a drink down, and you have to take both hands off the wheel and fiddle around with this stupid cup holder to try to get your drink in there. It's annoying. That's one thing I absolutely hate about this truck, but you know what? It's not a cheap fix either. I thought it would be. No, it's $75 for a cup holder for this thing. It's ridiculous. So another thing I hate about this truck is how slow it is. It's not tuned. It has nothing performance done to it yet. Like I said in a previous video, I'll link it here. I wanted to build this truck up for power because you know what? It really lacks. I put my foot into it and nothing happens. I'll show you guys. So yeah, that's what I'm working with. You bash it, it doesn't respond for a couple seconds. There's a lot of turbo lag, a lot of lag in general. So I need to get that tuner on here to help liven it up. I think I'm gonna go with the PHP Hydra chip. 16 tunes versus the 6-position chip I think is a lot better. They're customizable. So all you have to do is plug it into your computer and update your programmer and your truck will have the new tunes. Whereas with the 6-position chip, you have to pull it out, send it back, and that's just more hassle, and I'm not into that. I'd rather pay a little bit more money for the convenience of having the ability to constantly update my tune. Another thing that I do not like about this truck, and it's nothing really against the truck didn't do anything wrong. It's kind of a silly one because it's definitely not a hate, it's a love-hate with this truck. So, as you all know, I put the, holy wind noise. So as you guys know, I put the 20x12s on the truck, right? Well, it gets filthy. I mean, this is like maybe 3 days without washing. I mean, look at this. Just filthy. I mean, everywhere. Look at this. This is just, it's bad. But that's not the truck's fault, that's my fault. I wanted to do the 20x12s. I still love them. They're amazing looking, and I don't regret that decision whatsoever. I just used to having this truck be clean because before, the tires were well in the fender, so whatever. I did it to myself. I deserve it. But I absolutely love it. I wouldn't change that for the world. Yeah, those are a few things I really don't like about the truck. The cup holder is definitely number one. I hate that thing. But anyways, the wheels I absolutely love. I don't regret going with a 20x12 whatsoever. It's just, the only thing is I love the truck when it's clean. I wash it, the wheels look amazing, and then maybe a couple hours later the truck is filthy again. When you live in a rainy state, it's hard to keep your vehicle clean if you have a little bit of offset. So that's all I have to complain about with this truck. It's been amazing. I absolutely love it. As I kind of cheated you guys out of a couple videos. So I'll do it right now. So I installed the double DIN. All the wires are run. I'm still working. This mess is bad. I'm actually hooking up a 10-inch subwoofer. It's in a little box. I'll show you guys when that's being done, because that's going to be pretty cool to show you guys what it looks like, how it sounds. I know it won't do the best through the camera, but it'll be a lot of fun. And I also put the 2008 style tow mirrors on this thing. So if you have a 99 to 2008 Super Duty, I highly recommend these mirrors. They give me such better visibility when I'm reversing. I can see behind me way better. They're a bigger mirror and they look so much better. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know what to do. Please share this video, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.